More sunshine for the second half of the weekend. A live look over our Southeast Community College camera. And as the afternoon wore on, we started to see a few more high clouds filtering their way on in, and we expect more of them to arrive for the evening and overnight hours. It was a much warmer day. Temperatures in the middle to upper 60s for most. Right now we're at 67 degrees at Lincoln Airport, 64 degrees in Wahoo, 63 in York, 66 in Grand Island. So overall, not a bad evening temperature-wise. Here is visible satellite imagery. This is the disturbance that was with us over the past couple of days. Its cloud shield is slowly but surely drifting off to the northeast, but in Nebraska now we are watching some high clouds off towards the west, which are moving from west to east, and these are ahead of our next weather maker, which could bring some decent rainfall to southeast Nebraska tomorrow. So we'll time all of this hour by hour with Stormcast. You're seeing some of those high clouds right here moving from west to east. So for this evening, all we've got is cloud cover for most. Now, by the time we get towards midnight or so, we're going to be watching some rain potentially in the southwest corner of the state, even perhaps some light scattered showers moving through the Tri-Cities. At this point, Lincoln's probably going to be dry, but going towards 2, 3, 4 a.m., that's where Lincoln starts to see some scattered shower activity. There will be dry periods in the overnight hours in Lincoln, but off towards the west, more widespread rain starts to overspread the area. So out towards North Platte, down towards McCook, the Tri-Cities, by 3 or 4 a.m., the rain will start to become a little bit more widespread. All that widespread rainfall is going to start to approach the capital city probably about in time for the morning commute, so make sure you take the rain gear with you tomorrow morning. This is Stormcast 8 a.m. You see a lot of green on this map, and this is a high resolution computer model, so there's probably not going to be too many gaps in the coverage throughout much of the morning hours. By the time we get towards lunchtime, still looking at widespread rain across much of the state. And notice some of these pinks out towards North Platte, Broken Bow, and even some blues. There may be some snow mixing in off towards the central and western parts of the state. I'd say mainly west of the Tri-Cities. I think Greeley may be able to get in on some of that action, but the chance is low, the chance is higher off towards the west, towards Broken Bow, out towards North Platte and points west. Lincoln, this is going to be an all-rain event, and I'd argue for the Tri-Cities, this is mainly going to be an all-rain event as well. By the time we get towards Monday evening, still keeping rain in the forecast, but at this point you'll see some more gaps in the coverage here. At this point, rain will start to let up in intensity, and it'll continue to let up in intensity as we get towards midnight. This is Stormcast 1 a.m. Tuesday. We are looking at the precipitation starting to move on out of here, and we should be dry for the most part by the morning commute on Tuesday. As far as how much rainfall we could see, this could be a good soaking tomorrow. Some locations could receive in excess of 1 inch. This would be a healthy rainfall that could put a dent in our drought, especially after the rainfall that we saw over the last couple of days. And this won't just be a southeast Nebraska event. This will be a statewide event. We did mention the chance for a few flakes mixing in out west. Again, no potential for that in Lincoln. This is mainly, I'd say, Tri-Cities, points west. Even then, we're only looking at an inch or two. So for tonight, 43 degrees, clouds increasing, rain by morning, but we've got quite a bit of rain in the forecast for the afternoon. On Monday, 47 degrees. It'll be a cool day, and honestly 47 degrees might be pushing it just a little bit. We should be dry on Tuesday, mostly cloudy skies, 60 degrees, and then our next potential rainmaker arrives late Wednesday and into Thursday. Cool throughout much of the week, but then we finally start to warm up Friday and Saturday. By Saturday, we got highs in the middle 70s.
Yeah.